Wie geht's jedermann? Es ist Evolution Pollution, ich heiße Devin und heute wir haben deutsche Pokekarten. So we got Unbroken Bonds from Germany. I'm fortunate enough that my girlfriend is studying abroad and she was able to send me a pack all the way from Germany. This is really exciting. I've never had a pack from there. And of course we have the Germany pill on the back because, you know, it is the motherland, of course. Everything's written in German. Oh yeah, I'm excited. Let's get into this. I'm gonna try to save the packaging as best as I can. Probably not gonna go over well. Yes. Oh, well. I definitely want to look at any code card there is. So, assuming that was it. So let's get into this. Oh, come on. Did I just? Oh, I'm excited for the code card, Devin. There's a German Pokemon card. I'm gonna put that card back in there. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna go to the front there. Okay. Anyways, we got an energy there. We got a Raubos. We got Vonera, or Happening. We got a Metal Cairn Barrier, Metal Core Barrier. We got a Tentacha, or Tentacruel. A Stoliunar. If I pronounce some Pokemon in the new generation. That's an Aeron. We got a Sandend for Sandshrew. We got a Nebulac. That's a cool name for Ghastly. I like that one better. We got a Tangela, which is a Tangela. And then we got a Vonera Reverse. And on the end we get full art Slimemock and Alola Slimemock GX, which with the purest gift and gift absorption, because gift in German is poison. Alright, so that was amazing. Also got a nice little carbing or Rakara that came with the pack, according to my girlfriend. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Ich habe viel Glück mit dieses Pack. Alright.